So, you're gonna watch me struggle a little bit getting this little thing back in there. So, hi. Let's go ahead, get this spun around, and we're gonna do a little bit of lube, a little bit of high, what's it called? High pressure lube. I'm gonna go with this stuff. And you want it right along this spline. There's a spline that's in here. You just want a little bit in there. You don't need much. I don't know if, yeah, my finger's not gonna do a great job at this. I have a tool for that. Be right back. The tool is a Q-tip. I have these long Q-tips here I got from Harbor Freight, but let's see how that works. Yeah, that's a little better. Like I said, you don't need a lot. Help if I was tracking on the right thing here. There we go. Sorry about that. All right, that's probably enough. You don't want a lot. Alrighty then, let's see if we can't get this snuggled underneath here. Now, we're gonna try and put it on top of my jack. There we go. Just like that. On the other side, we want a spacer. And want to make sure that my brake is still out of the way. Let me grab the actual shaft here, and before I put it on there, picked up a thing of anti-seize just to make sure that if I have to take this back off, it won't be as bad. All right. Ooh, knocked that one back out. There we go. All right. Okay, perfect. right. Now for the spacer. All right. Whew. That was a bit of a struggle. On the other side, we've got a spacer, washer, and then castle nut. Let me bring you around there for that. Right there. You got spacer, washer, castle nut. And let's see what the spec is for mine. Always look up your own motorcycle for all your own torque specs. Every bike is different. For this one, it's going to be 48 foot-pounds. And again, always look up your own. But for mine, it's 48. Good enough for now. All right. I'll definitely need to play with that. Quite a bit, but we're gonna start there. Back wheel, good to go.